How to see your Instagram password if you forgot it. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. Simply open Instagram. There is no such option to simply see your password. If you click on Account Center and then go to Password and Security, you'll only be able to change password as you can see. But what you can do is go to Chrome, search Instagram.com and then click on phone number, username or email and you'll find saved password option pop up. Simply select the one and then press on show. After you've pressed on show, you'll be able to see your Instagram password. If it is not auto saved, simply go to Google account, click on Google Password Manager, and from here you'll be able to see your Instagram password as well. And this is how to see your Instagram password if you forgot it. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I'm Sophia signing off. Until next time.